Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a new video. So for today's video, as you would have seen from the title, we're going to do a hairstyling video. So for the first hairstyle, I'm going to do a half up, half down, but with like the slick fringe. I think it's Bella Hadid who sort of started this trend. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this comb and section off a part of my fringe. I'm just going to take a hair bubble and sort of keep this to one side so it doesn't get caught up in with the rest of the hair. So I'm now just going to take a comb and start sectioning off the half up, half down style. I like to sort of use the tail end of my brow as a guide of how much hair I want up in the ponytail, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to do that, roughly gather it together and start forming a ponytail on top of my head. By the way guys, in case you do notice, I do have bonded extensions in. Obviously we are in quarantine, I can't get them redone. Half of them are literally like 3 inches away from my head at this point. So yeah, if you can see them, ignore those. I have tried to cover them up as much as possible, but obviously quarantine life and all that, you know, so we just got to go with it. Okay, so once I've got all the hair I want in the ponytail and it's all smoothed over, I'm just going to take an elastic band or a hair elastic and I'm just going to wrap it round the ponytail so it's nice and tight. So it doesn't actually matter what colour the hair tie is or anything like that because we are going to cover it with a strand of hair in a second. All I do is I literally take some hair from underneath the ponytail and wrap it round the base of it. I find it just makes it look so much more seamless and put together, and it just looks a lot more glam. I don't know why, it's such a simple step, but I find it really adds to the hairstyle. Okay, so now I'm going to take a couple of hair grips, making sure that the piece of hair we wrap around the ponytail is really nice and secure. Where did it end? Hanging on those strings. Unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with... Okay, so we're at the final part of the hairstyle. Really easy. We're just literally going to make sure that the fringe part of the hair is really nice and sleek. So I'm going to tuck all of the hair behind the ears. I'm then just going to smooth over the fringe with a comb or a hairbrush. I'm then just going to pop it behind the ear and secure that again with some bobby pins, just so it's nice and secure and it's not going to come out. You could spray some hairspray or something if you wanted to, but I don't find I really need to. So that is the first hairstyle done, guys. It's such a good, easy hairstyle to do if you want something a bit more glam but you don't have loads of time. Okay, so this hairstyle is going to be a full up ponytail, but we are going to have the slick fringe like we did before in the last one. So all I'm going to do is separate my fringe in the exact same way as I did before, and then just keep it to one side in a hairband so it doesn't get caught up within the rest of the hair. Okay, so I'm then just going to start gathering up all the rest of the hair for the high ponytail. I'm just doing this with a brush. I find this the easiest way to do it. All I do is gather up as much as I can and then I will just flip my hair forward and make sure that I've got it all smoothed over and a lot sleeker. Just like the movies, how it's gonna stay. Okay, so then I'm just going to take a hair tie and wrap it around the ponytail as many times as I can. I have to use quite a strong hair tie for this because, as I said before, I do have really thick hair. So yeah, try get one that is a good hair tie so you can really wrap it around and make it really secure on your head. I'm then just going to do the exact same thing as I did before and take a piece of hair from underneath the ponytail and wrap it around as many times as I can. Okay, so once you've gripped it in place, it should just look something like this. I'm then just going to take the fringe down again. Now this one sometimes I do wear with the fringe out, but for this occasion I'm going to pin back the fringe like I did in the other hairstyle. So yeah, just do the exact same thing as before and voila, we have our second hairstyle. Oh, and look at that, as if by magic we're gonna have, oh yeah, curly hair, love that. So to get the curls, I have used the medium one from the Pick and Mix range of Mark Hill's collection. I absolutely love this wand. I do want to try the Molly May one as well though, so definitely let me know down below if you guys have used that. But yeah, for this hairstyle, I'm just gonna brush out the curls that I've already done with a wide tooth comb. Now the main thing is you have to make sure that the curls are cool before you brush through them, otherwise they will just drop out. So I waited about 20 minutes for them to do that, but then this is the finished hairstyle. It is so easy. It is a little bit more time consuming, but it looks so nice when it's done. Okay, so for this hairstyle, we've got another half up, half down hairstyle, because to be honest, it's probably my favourite. I wear it quite a lot. You've probably seen over on my Instagram. But yeah, so for this one, I'm just going to take 2 sections of the front of my hair, just to use them as like a little bit of a fringe, and I'm just going to pin those together again so they don't get caught up with the rest of the hair. I'm then just going to take my comb again and use like the tail end of my brow as a guide. So I'm just going to start separating it into like a half up, half down style. Once I've got all the hair up, then I will just start smoothing it over. So I either use like a wide tooth comb or my back combing brush I find really good for this. Although it is a little bit difficult, you might see me getting like stuck in a few places just where my bonds are so far down. But yeah, it's normally not that difficult and it is a really easy like glam hairstyle to do. You're my best friend. Okay, so once I've smoothed everything over, I'm going to take that section and tie it up with a little hairband. Again, I'm going to take some hair from underneath the ponytail and wrap it round, so it really doesn't matter what colour your hair tie is. So I'm literally just finishing off the ponytail with the exact same technique in the other hairstyles, but yeah, this has got to be one of my favourites. I wear this one a lot. It is so glam and it's pretty easy once you've got the curls in your hair. Okay, so this hairstyle is another half up, half down hairstyle, but this time with a messy bun on top. I absolutely love this. It's a little bit different. So as you can see, I'm just taking the ponytail that I already have and I'm just going to back comb it a little bit. I don't do it too much because I don't want to ruin my hair, but just gently sort of tease the hair, and then I'm just going to wrap it around itself and again grip it into place. I find that you really have to play around with the bun to sort of get it how you want it. So I sort of pull at some bits of hair, make some bits looser, grip a few bits down. It's really up to you. You'll sort of get the gist of when it looks good. So yeah, just keep playing around with it and you will get there. But that is literally the finished hairstyle. It is so easy and I just think it's a little bit more different to a normal half up, half down style. Okay, this hairstyle I absolutely love. I wore this a lot when I was in Rome. It's just sort of a more of a relaxed hairstyle, but it still looks really nice and glamorous. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a front section and start twirling it round. I'm then just going to add bits below it and twirl it into it, if that makes sense. You'll see it better than I'm explaining it, I think, because I'm pretty bad at that. But yeah, you can kind of see what I'm doing there. And then I literally just pin it at the back with some bobby pins. So then I'm just going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. I have obviously taken all of the front section of my hair here, but in the next few clips I do show you how to like pull some of the fringe out if you prefer that. I quite often do because I find it frames my face, but I thought I'd show you this option as well in case you do like your hair out of your face. Okay, so then all I literally do here is just go around and sort of loosen up some of the bits of hair just to make it look a little bit more relaxed, and that is literally the hairstyle done. I absolutely love this and it's probably the easiest one. So brave and so stupid,
just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every.
So as I said a minute ago, I'll show you guys how to pick some fringe out if you want it to frame your face. So all I literally do is take the sharp end of my back combing brush. If you don't have this, maybe just take the end of your comb or something. I personally prefer having some fringe out when I wear different hairstyles, but it's completely up to you. If you guys do prefer it the other way, then feel free to wear it that way. This is just how I like to wear it. Okay, so this hairstyle has probably got to be one of my favourites. I just think it is so cute and girly. I absolutely love it. And again, it is so easy to do. So all I'm doing here is taking the sharp end of my back combing brush. I'm just going to make a little section. This is sort of like the half up, half down hairstyle, but with like a part in through the middle. So all I'm going to do is take this section and smooth it over, and then I will just take one of the little hair ties and tie that. Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side, just so that I've got the parting in the middle still. And then yeah, that is literally this hairstyle done. You could even do this with some little cute space buns. I think that would be really sweet too. But yeah, this is one of my favourite go-to hairstyles at the minute, and I absolutely bloody love it. So yeah, you're probably going to see me wearing this one a lot more. Okay, so this has got to be probably the easiest one on here, but I thought I'd include it because this is more of like my I need a hair wash type of hairstyle. So if I'm on the day that my hair needs washing but I don't have time, then I'll do this sort of hairstyle. So all I'm literally doing is gathering all my hair back into a low ponytail. I absolutely love this. I think it just looks so sleek and put together, but honestly it is so easy to do. So yeah, obviously I'm just going to take a hair tie and tie that all together. My favourite thing about this is I sort of wrap the hair around like I did in the other hairstyles, and it makes it look so much more glam, so much more put together, but really it literally adds like 10 seconds of time on. So yeah, you'll see me do that in a second. I'm literally just taking a bit of hair from the underneath and wrapping it round, and you'll see when I show you the final results, it really adds to it and makes it look so much nicer.
I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight.
Again, you're probably going to get bored of me saying this, but I'm just going to secure it in place with some bobby pins, and that is literally it, guys. That is the finished hairstyle. I absolutely love this one. It is so easy and probably my most worn hairstyle.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
Okay, so same sort of thing. I thought I'd just show you a different alternative. So I'm literally just taking the ponytail we just created and I'm twirling it all round, and then I'm going to wrap it round to make a low bun. Again, this is one of my most worn hairstyles for the days that I really need to wash my hair, but I can't be bothered. So yeah, very much worn by me. Absolutely love this. So easy. So yeah, if you guys are looking for some easy hairstyles, then definitely try this one out. Okay guys, that is all the hairstyles I have to show you. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please smash a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to see you guys on my channel again. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!